Hi everyone, this is just a quick short video on how I join or join my squares or my stripes to my blankets. Even when I'm making wearables and they're not in the round, I always slip the first stitch, which kind of gives you this texture, and then the last stitch of every row is a purl, and then when I come round to do the next row I slip that one and then I purl the last one, which gives us this, which makes it easier for when you come to pick up your stitches, and especially in wearables, if you've got both sides that have got this edging, then to sew them together is a lot easier. So I really just want to share with you how I then go on to add my stripes to this my blanket. It's the jelly roll. It's by Kay Jones from the Bakery Bears. I am nowhere, you know, I'm not laying claim to the blanket or anything. And there is a disclaimer at the end of all my videos, whatever patterns I use and that. So what I found for me when I made, when I bought the pattern, and Kay says to knit, it's just garter stitch all the way. I never ever do that. I always slip my first stitch and purl my last stitch. So I really just want to share with you how I personally join my stripes. And so I slip the first one and then I just knit to the end. So I'm just knitting to the end. I have got over 50 odd years experience of knitting, and I'm not there's not a lot that I don't know, but if this helps one person to see a visual of how to join stripes, whether you do joining squares, whether you're doing a totally different style of blanket, you know, this will help anybody. So as I said, I've slipped the last stitch onto my needle. Now if you see here on this piece, you can see a V here. Can you see the V? If I lift it up, can you see the V's? And that's the slip stitch on one side and the garter stitch, you know, purl stitch on the other side. And what you do is I pick up, there's the V, I pick up this stitch. I pick up this stitch, just the first one, not both, the first stitch, and then I join them two together, like knit two together. So I've still got the same stitches, but can you see what it creates? It creates a stocking stitch, which I think leaves a nice, so what I'll do, a nice edging, you know, kind of a nice little border on my blanket. But I will do that again, if you just bear with me. I'll undo that and I'll show you what to do. Oops. So I've come to the last stitch and I just slip it onto my right hand needle, and then I pick up one leg of the V, one leg, and I put that onto my needle, and then what I do then is just knit two together. Whoops, knit two together. Now on the way back on the next row, what I do is with my yarn in front, I just slip that stitch. I don't knit it at all, I just slip it and then knit to the end of the row and purl the last stitch. And that is my way of adding you know, of joining my stripes to my jelly roll. Same method on my Cozy Memories. So anything I knit, I always do a slip stitch and a purl stitch on the last. If that's not how you do it, that's not how you do it. But I just thought it would show you a visual of another way to join your blankets, stripes on your blanket. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this little tutorial. It's not you know, a long one. It's just short and sweet and to the point, and showing you my way of how I join my stripes. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you do like the jelly roll, the link to the pattern by Kay Jones is in the description box below. Please check her out. She has lots and lots of tutorials and patterns as well on Ravelry. So thank you so much for watching. Take care everybody, stay safe, and until the next video, bye bye for now.